Hello there, welcome to the YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to download and install the Zank remote application to Android TV without the Google Play Store. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So what I'm going to do to install this application is come out to my browser because I don't have Google Play Store, so I'm going to use my browser. Any browser can work for this. If it's your custom browser or your system browser, it's still going to work. So what you do is go out to your browser and in the search box, you're going to type in the name of the application, which in this case is Zank Remote. I'm going to type in Zank, and as you can see on my result page, I already have the application here. So I'm going to click on the option here and you see this is what we're looking for. So once you come over here, you can see this is the web version of Google Play, and yes, you can install the application from here to Android TV or Fire TV by just coming over here and clicking install without any issues. And that's how to install the application. Now, if for some reason this option doesn't work for you, then you can still use an option like this by installing a third-party application. But only use this if the first option doesn't work for you. You can install the application from here, but for me, the best option is using the web version of Google Play Store. I can install the application even though we don't have downloader. As you can see, the application has been downloaded and installed. If this doesn't work for you, then use the other option. But this is the best option, and you get the application to your Android TV as you've seen on my video. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.